In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain from Namecheap to HostPapa in this quick tutorial. We'll go through each step clearly and thoroughly to ensure you can easily follow along, whether you're a beginner or have a bit of experience. Let's start by logging into your Namecheap account, which can be done by going to the Account section, then selecting Dashboard. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once inside, you'll be greeted by the dashboard interface. Here, you'll want to focus on the domain list. This section contains all the domains you currently own under Namecheap. Carefully scroll through the list to locate the domain that you intend to redirect to HostPapa. When you've identified your desired domain, you'll notice an option labeled Manage adjacent to it. This is where you can edit and adjust the domain settings. Click on Manage to access the domain management platform. Now that we're in the domain management page, direct your attention to the section marked Name Servers. The name servers determine where your domain is pointing. At present, they might be set to Namecheap's default servers, so we'll need to change that. There's a drop-down menu right next to name servers. Here, you'll want to select the Custom DNS option. Selecting this option allows you to manually input the specific name servers provided by HostPapa. Embark on entering the HostPapa name servers in the fields provided. This specific information may be given by HostPapa during the hosting setup process or typically found in the support documentation. If by any chance you're uncertain or don't have them handy, reach out to HostPapa's support team for assistance. Once you've entered these name servers, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button, which you'll find right below your entries. With the groundwork laid on Namecheap, it's time to log in to your HostPapa account. Head over to their dashboard and log in, just as you did with Namecheap, using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to My cPanel, where you'll handle all domain-related actions for HostPapa. Here in the cPanel, find the section marked Domains. This is where you can verify whether your domain has been successfully pointed to HostPapa. If your domain appears in the list, everything is progressing smoothly. However, if it doesn't seem to be there, don't worry. There's an option to manually add it under Add-on Domains. Remember, DNS changes can take a bit of time. It may range from a few minutes up to 24 hours for the whole process to propagate globally across DNS servers. This is typical, so a bit of patience might be required if you don't see changes immediately. Once the propagation completes, that's it. Your domain is now successfully pointed from Namecheap to HostPapa hosting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy setting up your online presence with your newly pointed domain.